explain. I'm with all of my sisters, got 'em going insane. You know we on a mission, all guys no breaks. Yeah, breaking out of this system, breaking out of this cage. Yeah, let you get up, ain't that enough? Somebody tell me that I'm good. Yeah, think you're running it, just because you know I can't talk it. Don't go hurt this tattoo. So come on with me, I'll take you high. That prima donna spice up your life. You know I got that shit that you like. So come on with me, run up, jump. What's running in the place? I'm already started and my girls are on the way. Watch me open up the place. Wanna see you bumping, baby, bounce into the bass.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Rose Batch 2015.
Okay, so as we turn over the key of responsibility,
Yes, friends, backward lang sa tagamay mga ma'am, sir. Gamay lang kayo din napita. You know what, friends, ladies and gentlemen, truly this is a great night for our batches here. I mean, the host batch and the coming host batch nga maoy mo buhat na puhon sa isang abongga nga Grand Alumni Homecoming. Ladies and gentlemen, this is now the official turnover of the key of responsibility from the host batch 2015 to the next host batch 2016 and 2018. Here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we have here the batch 2015 representative, Rosabel Maestrado, who are going to officially turn over the key to the next host batch 2016-2018 president. We have Jay Abiba. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to this ceremonial turnover of the key of responsibility.
so as we turn over the key of responsibility to batch 2016, so on behalf of my batch 2015, we pass on this responsibility with confidence and pride, and may you carry this tradition not by hosting an event, but by creating a homecoming filled with heart, unity, and unforgettable memories. Guided by our alma mater motto, Ver sapiens fortis est, a wise man is a strong man. May your wisdom lead you and your strength sustain you in every step. We wish you a successful Alumni Homecoming 2026, and we wish you good luck and Godspeed to all.
Good evening to our teachers, guests, and of course to my fellow Jamanian. On behalf of Batch Junior High 2016 and Senior High 2018, I want to say a huge thank you. We are beyond excited and honestly very honored to be your next host batch for next year's Alumni Homecoming. Tonight, we aren't taking over a title. We are accepting the key of responsibility. To us, this key represents a promise to show up, to lead, and to give back to the school that gave us so much. Being called the historical batch is a title we don't take lightly. It reminds us that while we've all moved on to different paths, St. James High School is where our story started. It shaped our grit and our friendship. We always carry our motto with us, Ver Sapiens Fortis East. A wise man is a strong man. But tonight, we are showing the strength isn't just about what you know. It is about how you serve. Our goal for next year is simple. To work together, to honor the batches that came before us, and to throw a homecoming that feels like a massive family reunion, which is inclusive, meaningful, and a whole lot of fun. And we cannot wait to see you all again next year. Thank you, and let's keep the Jamaican spirit alive.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, another round of applause to the host batch 2015. And of course, we have here the batch 2016 and 18. We would like to request all other members of batch 2015 to please be here together with batch 2016 and 18. Ayan, please be here for a grand photo opportunity. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, the key has been successfully passed over to the next batch, 2016-2018, and challenge accepted. So that means you'll still be enjoying the next Grand Alumni Homecoming for the next host batch, 2016 and 2018. Let's give another round of applause, everybody. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Congratulations to the next host batch. And of course, much appreciation to our host batch 2015. Ayan, maraming salamat once again. And indeed, thank you so much to the host batch 2015 for making